waste management, environmental sustainability, and sustainable management, and green lodging. These terms are interconnected concepts related to minimizing environmental impact and promoting sustainable practices, especially in industries like hospitality. In this video, we will show you the definitions of these terms and its practices that can help in reducing waste in our society. First, waste management systems are organized frameworks designed to manage the recycle of waste from its generation to its final disposal in a safe, efficient, and environmentally responsible manner. These systems aim to minimize waste's environmental impact while promoting resource conservation and sustainability.
Benefits of waste management. Waste management is a systematic process of handling waste materials, from collection and transportation to disposal, recycling, and recovery. Waste management is essential for ensuring that communities, businesses, and industries operate sustainably and responsibly. The benefits of waste management as vast, encompassing environmental protection, public health, economic growth, and resource conservation.
Second, ergonomic solutions for hotel waste management. Implementing ergonomic solutions in hotel waste management involves designing systems and processes that optimize efficiency while minimizing physical strain and improving the safety of staff handling waste. Here are some practical ergonomic solutions tailored in hotel environment. First, waste segregation and disposal stations. Second, waste collection trolleys and carts. Third, safe lifting and handling techniques. Fourth, waste compaction and disposal equipment. And last, placement and accessibility.
Environmental sustainability is about meeting the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It's about balancing economic growth with environmental protection. Here's how it works. First, understanding the impact. It starts with understanding how human activities affect the environment. This includes things like pollution, deforestation, and climate change. Second, reducing our footprint. This can be done through things like using renewable energy, conserving water, and reducing waste. Third, protecting natural resources. It also involves protecting natural resources like forests, oceans, and biodiversity. Fourth, promoting sustainable practices. This includes encouraging businesses and individuals to adopt sustainable practices in their daily lives. By following these principles, we can help ensure that the planet remains healthy and habitable for future generations.
Sustainable hotel practices focus on reducing environmental impact, promoting social responsibility, and ensuring economic sustainability, just like, for example, energy and water efficiency. Use renewable energy, energy-efficient systems, and water-saving fixtures. Second one, waste reduction. Minimize single-use plastics, recycle and compost waste. The third one, sustainable food. Source local, organic ingredients, reduce food waste, and offer eco-friendly menus. And the last one, eco-friendly design. Build with sustainable materials and incorporate green features like living walls and natural ventilation.
Environmental regulation are a crucial aspect of protecting our planet and ensuring public health. These rules and standards are set by government to control pollution, manage natural resources, and promote sustainable development.
What is environmental sustainability? Environmental sustainability means using natural resources wisely so we can meet our needs without harming the planet for the future generations. It's about protecting our ecosystem, reducing waste and conserving energy, and making sure things like clean air and water are available for everyone. It's all about living in balance with nature.
Green lodging is an environmental responsible accommodation that adapt sustainable practices and reduce their environmental impact and provide a healthy and comfortable stay for guests, while promoting eco-friendly tourism and supporting local communities.
Why should hotels go green? Hotels should go green to save money, attract eco-conscious guests, improve their reputation, and reduce their environmental impact. It's good for business and on the planet.
Green housekeeping refers to cleaning practices that prioritize environmental sustainability. It involves using eco-friendly cleaning products, minimizing the use of harmful chemicals, conserving energy and water, and reducing waste. The goal is to maintain a clean and healthy environment while minimizing the impact on the planet.
The accounting department is vital to hotel operations as it manages finance, ensure compliance with regulation, and support strategic decision-making. Key roles include budgeting, cash flow management, profitability analysis, and maintaining internal controls to prevent fraud. It ensures accurate financial tracking, handles taxes, and fosters good relationship with guests and vendors. By providing financial insight and managing risk, it helps maintain the hotel's profitability and operational stability.
Our planet's health is inextricably linked to our own well-being. Sustainable practices are just as trendy. They are essential for survival. Every individual actions, no matter how small, contribute to a larger movement. Investing in environmental protection and investing in a secure future, let's choose a path of responsibility and create healthier world and generations to come.